Hi friends, my name is Jamshed. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. Let's start. We're going to Google Chrome browser. We're opening it. Now we're going to right hand side to those dots. We're clicking on that. Then we're going to accounts. Here you are. We're going to Google account and create account. For myself, if it's for yourself. Now we entering your name. I just put a random name like Donald Duck, for example. Donald, and I put the last name Duck. And you can use your existing email address if you have one, or you can create one. So we can choose one of these already suggested by Google, which this one for example, or here you go. And then we creating a password. Confirming the password. Let me quick check to see if the password I entered is correct. 234 234. Yeah, the password is correct. Now we just next. We have to give a phone number so Google could confirm. I have already phone number here which I'm going to enter, and then you just put your date of birth. I just put a random one, and your gender if you want to give, or rather not to say, it's up to you. And then next. Okay, now when you click on send, the Google going to send you a verification code, which we're going to do on the number being provided from you. There you go. Now I'm waiting for number to receive. Yes, I did receive. Let me enter that. Just a second. Let's see where this number is. Google. Here you go. We got 802381. So this is the number I received from Google. That's it. It's been confirmed that it's me. And then we just choosing express personalization setup. So that helping us to be things easier. And we confirming. And then we scroll down. We agree this agreement. And that's it. All done. Everything is done. You got your Google account. And that's it. Ready to go. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy your time. Thank you. Bye bye.